Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure your device supports Apple Pay and is signed into iCloud. Once done, open the Wallet app and tap the plus sign to add a card. You can scan the card with the camera or type details manually, and then follow on-screen prompts from your bank. Make sure billing address and phone number match your bank record, because discrepancies slow verification. After adding, you'll see the card listed but not yet active until the bank confirms it. Once the bank sends a verification request, follow the exact method it provides: SMS code, a prompt in your banking app, or a phone call to confirm the card. After verification, set your preferred card as default by dragging it in Wallet or using settings Wallet and Apple Pay. This saves time at checkout. Make sure Face ID, Touch ID, or your device passcode is enabled to authorize payments. This is why Apple Pay is secure. Also check Express Transit settings if you use public transport. You complete transactions by holding your iPhone or Apple Watch near the contactless reader and authenticating with Face ID, Touch ID, or a double click of the side button on Apple Watch. Once done, a subtle vibration and checkmark confirm payment. For apps or websites, choose Apple Pay at checkout and confirm. Once payment processes, you'll get a receipt. If a payment is declined, verify your card's active status, check network connection,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.